Hi everyone, today is October 30, around 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and we'll try to find some interesting options trades as usual, but the market didn't decide yet whether it has bottomed or not yet. It is exactly in the rectangle that I made a couple of days ago, and it is still in the channel, so yeah, I would expect another drop down. So there is no clear direction yet, and the VIX is still high. Let's see, 1 day, it is still very high, so it's better to sell volatility right now rather than buy it, because the options would be pretty expensive right now. So let's see, what do we have strategies wise, and we will start with credit vertical puts probably, because I am still neutral to bullish. I expect the market to bottom soon. We're in the extreme fear territory for I think since last week. I don't really remember, but we're somewhere there, and I do expect the market to bottom pretty soon. Hopefully there will be at least one more drop, and after that I expect it to go up. Well, not much of course, but so let's see. Square, it's still the bullish trade keeps showing us square credit puts. It's not very interesting, it's just 21% return to margin. I wouldn't go with it. Nvidia graph actually looks, I think it was pretty nice today. Let's see Nvidia, and they have earnings soon. Actually, I think yeah, let's keep Nvidia in mind, because I think they could go up from here. They do have earnings November 21, so I like it. Let's keep it in mind for now. Nvidia, everything is just Nvidia. AMD, Tesla, we already have one Tesla trade. It's still somewhere around zero. We're not profitable, not losing much. Let me see. Well, right now the Tesla trade is, it's minus $40, so we are losing a little bit, but we will go up. Tesla looks like the only weak company right now, the only weak chart across all the serious tech companies, so I think they should get better soon. Okay, let's see the credit calls. I don't expect much here. Yeah, Tesla, AMD, I would not bet against those. Debit vertical calls, pretty cheap Tesla, relatively cheap Tesla. Very interesting as well. I don't want to have two positions in Tesla. Actually, we have one credit put, credit spread, and so we are here like neutral to bullish. We expect the price to go up, or at least to stay in at the same level. So it just doesn't make sense for me to buy a debit vertical call, even though it's really good here. It's really cheap. Technically, the credit spread that we sold, it can kind of like sponsor us buying this one, but I don't think it will be a really good idea, actually. Well, its debit is 100 and potential profit is 400, so yeah, I'm a bit greedy probably. Let's keep it in the head. Let's keep it in the back of the head. Debit vertical puts, Microsoft, Amazon. I will not bet against those two. Long calls, as I said, it's not really good to buy anything right now because options will be pretty, well, more expensive than you want them to be. AMD, yeah, it's like Square is something around $1, but no. Not good, not good. I don't like it. Nothing nice here. Long iron butterflies, I don't really trade them. Long straddle, long strangle. Short naked call, definitely no. Short naked put. Mara, shop, Square. So not much. If we have to go with something, we have debit vertical put, and let's probably go with Nvidia. I don't want to make lots of trades right now, and it's actually not good for me to, yeah, we have one credit spread already. It would be nicer to have a debit vertical call on another company, because, you know, if we will have two credit spread puts right now, it's already a little bit too much in one basket, in one strategy. Going with a credit vertical call is kind of, I think it will be, it's not bad, but it's all on the same company, so it's also not a good idea really, because if it will go against us, we will lose the debit, we will lose on the credit spread. So yes, let's probably wait for another day. It's not good to be greedy, and it's you know, when you have to force a trade, it's not good. So I would wait until tomorrow. Probably we will see something new with our SPX, where it is right now. Yeah, you see, it's like it doesn't really want to go up, so we will need to wait, and let's see which trades we will have tomorrow. But I use the Bullish Trade not just here on for these videos. I also, right now I searched like 70 companies or something like that, and there were some nice trades that I will not add to the public spreadsheet, but I've made there are two companies that have earnings tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, something like that. Wayfair with a W ticker and the RUN ticker, and they should have earnings probably like in following days, and the premium was really good. So I would really suggest you to install the Bullish Trade application or just open their website. There are really nice trades right now because the VIX is high, the premium is high, and some companies which are really nice and who have earnings today, you can try and play, well, you can try to play earnings there, because after the earnings the premium drops a lot, the price of the option drops, and you can buy back your short put or whatever your short position for a way cheaper and earn some money. So this is it for now. See you tomorrow. Subscribe, download the Bullish Trade application, and let me know if anything in comments.